Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, October 20th, 4:33 p.m. and today everything was down. So I took no trades. Even Project X is still not working for me, so this journal is going to be quick and on TradingView. So if we take a look at Project X real quick, look, this shit's been this way since the morning time. The 7:15 candle is just stuck. Like for me, NQ moves. So you can see, look, I refresh and everything. Refresh. NQ moves. Where's NQ? NQ's moving. NQ's fine. ES just doesn't move. Let me see if micros work. Oh, micro works. It's just big boy ES doesn't work. Nice. All right. But yeah, let's get into today. So coming into today, I originally did have a bullish bias, but I wasn't totally against shorts playing out. Also, you might, because the other one kept cutting out. But I wasn't totally against shorts playing out. And actually, the only trade that I did actually look at today would have been a short. Would have been a mech model short. But which I've been back testing. I actually have been back testing. Like I said, I wanted to start doing more. Like not, I wanted to start. I had to start doing more. But yeah, coming into the day, as you can see, we had London high. We also had like Asia low. Asia low was like this. Why is it pushing me so far out? Asia low was right here, so also in play, but nonetheless, it's 200 points away. All time highs are like 400 some points away. Oh, all time highs are these previous week highs. Never mind. All time highs were 200 points away. So I mean, we were pressuring up pretty strongly, and then right before open, we had made this SMT with the London high. So, I mean, I wasn't like 100% stern on that longs bias because if we made this SMT, I'm sorry, you see the, I'll explain this in a second. I'm sorry, I'm getting off track. But if we made this SMT with the London high right before market open, that can be indication that we're going to start pumping down. And I would have wanted to see a pump down before I took a continuation model to Asia lows. Now, real quick before I do get into the trade, right? So, it says I took a trade, which let's show you here. Look how long it lasted. It literally lasted 2 seconds. It was a $40 L. I accidentally fucking bought where's it at? Filled, canceled, working, inactive, filled. I don't even know how to see it. Oh. I accidentally bought a big boy fucking mini. And because I was going look, like I'm doing like this, like trying to move the chart, then go over here, and I wasn't really paying attention. Like I'm just flying through it. And then I started talking to Chi Chi Wee Wee, if you know, you know. And then I wasn't looking, and then I fucking accidentally hit buy. But I realized that like in 2 seconds, in the fucking 2 seconds, I lost $40. And if I would have held it for like a minute, it would have went up. But yeah, all right, fuck all that. That's irrelevant. I lost $40 today technically, but I'm not gonna count it because it was an accident. So it's whatever. I didn't risk enough last trade anyway, so that's karma. Payback's a bitch. Um, but all right, this 3 minute. Why was I looking to actually take this 3 minute? So, can I let me get to Z trade? We obviously were pretty bullish, and then we came up and we ran London and this AM high from Thursday. And we also have like no strong targets up here. What we had was previous week high. So we came up, we ran that, and I wanted to see us hold this SMT with AM high. Because if we take a look here, right when it started, like that gap was left. And even on this first displacing candle, I wanted to see it happen on this candle right here, which it looked like it was going to happen. I was ready to enter. And then shot back up. Like this candle. If it would have happened on this candle, I'm taking this trade 10 out of 10 times. To these equal lows right here. And then it ends up happening on this candle. But if we take a look on this candle, what do? We take AM high on ES, which breaks that SMT and only leaves the SMT with previous week high. And had we held it with that AM high, I'm taking it. But I don't really care for the SMT with the previous week high. Also, this candle's a bit funky. So it didn't really intrigue me at all. And honestly, still would have been at least I want to say B minus to B rated setup. It went from a B plus to B to B minus. We're breaking that because we had a weaker SMT pretty much. I believe we were still SMT. It was like a SMT with like around previous week high. So yeah, the setup kind of lost a little bit of grading points, but I wish it would have held with this AM high. Would have been beautiful to these equal lows right here. You can see. And yeah, I didn't end up taking it because candle's wonky and the SMT was not with AM high. But I ended up still getting bit in the ass, losing $40. So yeah, today just as we can still see. Let's see if it works now. See if I had the fucking fit. Nope. See, my Project X just doesn't let me use ES. But yeah, no news Monday. Project X down. A bunch of other shit down. Like right now, like some news shit like AWS is down. So just thankfully at least it was down on a day like today where I wasn't gonna take a trade. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna keep it short, concise. Got a lot to do today. Still have class. Got an exam today, And then like with this all shit, I don't even know how to keep like shit up on fucking TradingView. I gotta learn that. I don't ever use TradingView. I'm still getting fully used to it. I actually like it a lot more, low key. Not gonna lie. Um, but yeah, little 5 minute thing. Uh, hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Hopefully tomorrow we get a trade. Hopefully tomorrow, I'm looking to more implement this mech. I'm really back testing it. I'm really understanding it. And I'm really seeing things clear. September I'm halfway through it, through back testing this past weekend. Just trying to back test like a week of data to a day. And yeah, I'm really seeing a lot more. So that's really good. I wish I would have gone to it sooner. So yeah, take care, stay blessed. Hopefully this new mic worked out pretty good. And yeah, take care, stay blessed. Let me go ace this exam real quick because why not? Fuck it, let's do it.